Welcome to this online class. Can you say about the picture of the blackboard? Obviously, you can say it is a picture of rainbow. So today we are going to discuss about a poem, rainbow. You know how many colors have rainbow? Rainbows have 7 colors. They are red, yellow, orange, green, violet, indigo, etc. So, do you know how a rainbow is formed? Rainbow forms when the sunlight is scattered from the raindrops into the eyes of an observer. Or it is a meteorological phenomenon. Meteorological means related to weather. It is a meteorological phenomenon caused by reflection. And rainbow appears in the sky directly opposite to the sun. So let us discuss about the poem Rainbow. First of all, I am going to read the topic Rainbow. Boats sail on the rivers, and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven over the tops of trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Once again, boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven over the tops of trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Let us discuss about the topic. You know, rainbow is a very beautiful scenery caused by nature or reflection. You can see the 7 colors. These are red, orange, yellow, violet, indigo, etc. So, boats sail on the river. You know, the boats sail on the river. And ships sail on the seas. You can see the ships are sailing on the seas or oceans. But clouds that sail across the sky, are prettier far than these. This looks very beautiful, very amusing than the rivers and the sky. The rivers and the sea. There are bridges on the river. You know, people build bridges on the river. As pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven. But the bow means here a rainbow. Rainbow bridges heaven over the tops of trees. Building in the sky. Okay. And builds a road from earth to sky, and also builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. So it is your poem Rainbow. Let us discuss about the difficult words. First, sail. Cell means Mahasiva. Bridge, polo, ship, jahaj, জলজাহাজ, pretty, sundar, heaven, swarg. So it is all about your topic, the poem Rainbow. So once again I am going to discuss about the topic after some of the topic. Boat sail on the river. Everybody knows boat sails on the river and ships sail on the sea. But the rainbow that sails across the sky, you can see the rainbow across the sky due to the reflection of sunlight which falls, which scatter from the raindrops into the eyes of an observer. And it is very prettier. Here the poet says the rainbow is very prettier than the boat sailing on the river and the ship sailing on the sea. And there are bridges on the river. You know, people build up bridges, so many bridges on the river. But the rainbow is very prettier than the bridges also. But the boat that bridges heaven and the boat or the rainbow bridges heaven across the sky, over the top of the trees and building, etc. And builds a road from earth to sky. Here the poet says that the rainbows build a road from earth to sky. It's prettier far than this. Also, it's prettier far than the bridges across the river, etc. Okay? Then I will also send your homework through your WhatsApp. Thank you.